hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to share some more information regarding a post that I made yesterday about the ZipDee Spring Assist little awning replacement part. It replaces this. And I got quite a few messages where people were asking for a link on where to buy it, that their awning gets hung up as well. And so I think just by getting those messages kind of tells me that it's a little bit of an issue, and I'm not the only one that has a problem with the awning going out every single time consistently and evenly, not having to give it a little push or a shove or a kick. But that brings me to my next point that was very interesting. So this morning I'm camping, I'm at the range, I'm walking Elvis, and there's a brand new 23-foot International 2023. And I started talking to the gentleman, and it turns out that we have been following each other and communicating back and forth for like a year and a half on Instagram. His name's Daniel. I'll leave a link to him down below. Check out his Instagram page. But what was interesting is he just picked up his new trailer yesterday, and he already had the springs on it. And so I asked him, I said, hey, did you put those springs on? And he said, no, that's the way it came. But he shared with me in 2024 that Airstream's moving away from these, and I guess they're gonna solely be putting on the springs. And so, I don't know, I thought it was this awkward timing because I just made this post in our little review about these guys, and then I meet him, and his trailer came from the factory and it's already got him on it. And so that leads me to believe that a lot of people must have had some issues with the awning, and that this is their fix for an even deployment. So I hope so. They're cheap enough. If you do have an electric awning and it's getting stuck, and this is probably what you have, definitely worth right around like 50 some bucks to replace these out. Super easy. I got a video on YouTube about how to do it. It's literally one screw. Pretty sure that my wife could do it, but we don't let her near the trailer with screwdrivers. Just kidding, love. But yeah, it's super easy. So far, I've probably seriously put this awning out 30 or 40 times since installing these things, and haven't had one issue whatsoever. And when I watch it, it seems like it used to come out, this side would come first, and then this side would finally come, and that's where it would get hung up. And so when I watch it now, it's just completely even. And maybe it's not supposed to be even, but it makes more sense to me that when it comes out that it's even, because it was getting bunched up right here. So anyway, I just wanted to share that information with you. Thanks for checking this out. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I will do my best to answer them. So have a good day.